All right, so in this shoot today, I'm going to be working with the Elinchrom FIVE and the Rotalex Go 24-inch softbox. I'm going to be shooting our model Sana, who'll be posed on the front of this sailboat with the Chicago skyline behind her and the sun setting behind it. It should look fantastic. And my friend David's going to be helping me out today by holding on to this puppy right here, so hopefully it won't end up in the water. No matter what I did during the shoot today, the FIVE was always ready. The recycling time just kept on going, and I love the fact that the light was able to keep up with me as I kept shooting more and more frames as the sun was going down and the light was changing, and it really kept up. Now, when we got into twilight, the great thing was I was able to keep shooting using just the modeling light. In fact, David was in there close with the Rotalex Go, and then by the very end of the night, we were shooting on the dock, and I was holding a second FIVE in my hand with the modeling light dimmed down and using it for fill, while David was in there close with the Rotalex Go and his FIVE as the main light.